everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. Oh my god, I feel like it's been forever since I have restocked my shop, so I'm really excited. The shop is going to be fully stocked today at 6 p.m. Central Time, so make sure you check your local time. If you're in a different time zone, you're obviously going to need to convert that, so just be prepared. I am really excited because I'm also bringing some Valentine's Day slimes. Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday, you already know, so I'm really excited. The slime that you're watching right now is the queen of my shop. She is my bestseller, Chanel number 2. If you haven't heard of her, you definitely need to snatch. This one is always the first one to sell out at events and stuff like that, so you definitely need to go ahead and snatch this one. It's so good. A thick and glossy, bubblicious, bubblegum scented slime. It's just really nice and holdable, so if you don't like slimes that are too sticky or anything like that, this is definitely going to be the one for you. Next up is my second bestseller. I feel like this one always sells out first online, so if you definitely want to snatch a Baja Blast, make sure that you get to the shop early because, like I said, it sells out even before Chanel. So this one here is an icy / cloud slime texture, so you get the icy look because it's clear based, but it also has a little bit of drizzle. I like to call them baby drizzles because it's not like a full drizzle like a full cloud slime, but it definitely has a little bit, and it's also very nice and sizzly as well. This one is scented just like Mountain Dew Baja Blast, so just think of like a lemon lime soda with blue raspberry and pineapple. It's just really good. You definitely need to snatch this one as well. Any one of the big three you will definitely be happy with. You'll be happy with every slime really because hello, these are all my children. I love these slimes, but you can definitely never go wrong with any of the big three. And last from the big three, my third bestseller, this one is Mud Mask. I love this one so much. This is my recent favorite from the big three. It is lemon and green tea scented, so it smells just like an actual mud mask. And this one is the most sizzly out of the big three. It's so good. It's a different type of texture, so it's really hard to explain. It's basically half butter slime, half cloud cream, so it's very squishy and spreadable, but it also makes really nice sizzles when you squeeze it, so it's really good. It's definitely dual purpose, and this one as well is another good one if you don't like sticky slimes because this is almost like a dough instead of a slime, but it's so good. You definitely need to snatch this one if you're a fan of butter slimes, if you're a fan of like Play-Doh or cloud creams. This is definitely going to be one for you. Next up, I have the cutest little mini 4-pack for you all. So this is the Conversation Hearts mini 4-pack. So it comes with 4 1.5 ounces slime, and I really love it, and they're each different. So this first one here, it's a yellow slime. It's actually a banana butter slime. It's scented just like banana. I love it a lot. These are really good travel sizes, so you could take these on a plane. You could throw these in your backpack to take them to school, or if you're going to work, put them in your purse or your pocket, wherever honestly they'll fit. And I just love the idea, especially because they're Valentine's Day themed, and Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday, obviously. This blue one right here is actually a thick and glossy slime scented like vanilla and mint. It's really good. This one's probably my favorite out of all 4, just saying. If you see my latest video for the ASMR, then you actually saw this slime right here. This is Creamsicle Crunch, and it is scented like orange creamsicle. It's really nice. It's actually a half foam, so there are foam beads in there as well to give it a nice crunch, and I love it. And the last one here, this one is a Lavender Lemonade dough, and it's scented just like Lavender Lemonade. It is so good. It's kind of florally yet sweet from the lemonade. It's really nice, and it is a cloud dough, so you get a little bit of drizzle with it. You can spread it. It's very holdable as well. It is meant to be like a dough, and this one I would say is definitely like the most stress relieving out of all of them. I just really hope you enjoy this little mini 4-pack. Each of them have like little messages on them, and I just think it's so adorable. Another one of my favorites that's restocked, this is Galaxy Slush, and it is also an icy / cloud slime texture, just like Baja Blast. This one is scented blue raspberry slushy, and as you can tell, it is swirled with blue, red, and purple slushy slime. I really love it a lot. It's topped off with some holographic star glitters as well, just to complete the galaxy look, and I really love it. An OG has returned. I love this slime so much. This is Unicorn Cereal Milk. I used to stock this slime way back in the day when I first started my shop, and I am so happy to bring it back. I forgot how much I missed it. This one has the exact same thick and glossy recipe as Chanel. We just made it a tad bit softer just so that it could represent the milk, but I love it so much. It's scented like Fruity Pebbles. Super good, and like I said, it's an OG, so if you want like a throwback OG type of slime, this is definitely going to be the one for you. This next slime here is new to the shop. This one is called Jamaican Me Crazy, and I love the initial crunch to this slime. It is so good. Isn't that amazing? I just love it so much. This one is actually inspired by the name of a scent that I got. So it's actually scented Jamaican Me Crazy, which is basically just mixed fruits. It smells really good and tropical. I love it so much. And I thought it would definitely fit in with the theme that we were kind of going with, like random, you know, Valentine's Day themes, because Jamaican Me Crazy, you're making me crazy, you get it? Like, I don't know. I just really loved it. And I like this one a lot because it's super soft, yet thick and glossy at the same time. And the initial beads of all of the little mini foam beads in there are so good. Pineapple Party is another slime that I am bringing back. This actually has never been in the shop before. The only time that I sold it was actually at Slime Bash Daytona, and this was the first slime to sell out, y'all. This was a fan favorite, so if you want to snatch this, I definitely suggest that you get there fast. Who knows how fast it's going to sell out this time. I made a bunch of them, but you just never know. So this is a jelly cube slime. It is clear, but it is still scented, like fully scented, not even lightly scented. It's scented just like pineapple. It's so good, and there are some some sprinkles at the bottom to represent the party. And then of course there's going to be 2 pineapple charms included in every single slime. I love this one so much just because yellow is my favorite color, and I also really like jelly cube slimes. And I just love the fact that this is super clear, yet it is scented. Like, that is just wild to me. So I would definitely try to snatch this one if you can. Another slime that I am bringing back, this one is Passion Puff. Now this one has been on the shop before and you all really seem to like it, so I decided to go ahead and bring it back. It is scented like strawberry and guava. It smells really, really good. Very kind of strawberry and tropical-y, if that makes sense. This one is super, super cool because it is a clay-based super like puffy slime, so it puffs up really cool and inflates very, very nicely and super easy. All you have to do is just kind of fluff it up and it's good to go. It's super, super sizzly once it's inflated, and it doesn't get sticky, which is pretty cool too. Since y'all loved Passion Puff so much, I decided to bring another super puffy inflating slime to the shop. This one is Matcha and Cream Puff. Now I actually made a slime like this on my Instagram before, but I've never like actually made it for my shop, so I decided to do it this time. It smells so good. The scent is literally out of this world. It's scented like cream and like green tea. It smells so, so good. You definitely need to snatch this one. This one has the same texture as Passion Puff, so it gets very, very sizzly once inflated, and it does not get sticky, which is amazing. Next up, we have this cloud cream here. This is called Chocolate Cherry Mousse, and I love it so, so much. I just love how beautifully swirled it is. This one was not fully full like the container, but it's just my personal batch. It's just what we had left over from the both batches. So I just decided I wouldn't waste one, and I would just, you know, film with what I had. So this one inflates a ton as well. It is a cloud cream, so it's super, super creamy. It's instant snow based, and I love it so much. You can spread it, you can pop it, poke it, whatever you want to do, but it also inflates a ton, and I just love that so much. And of course, it is scented like chocolate covered cherries. It's amazing. This next slime has one of my new favorite textures. It is a Snow Fizz slime. This is M&M Cookie Crunch. It's super, super crunchy, and it comes with 2 chocolate M&M charms, and I love this so much. It is actually scented like sugar cookies and milk chocolate, so it has that really nice chocolate cookie scent, and I just really like it. I really don't have much words to say about this besides it's crunchy, and it inflates a lot as well, so it gets super sizzly, and I just really love that. It gets super crunchy from the little snow that's in it, and It's just amazing. And last but not least, we have Captain Crunch here. I love this slime so much because it has a revamped look. It's the same classic Captain Crunch berry scent that I've always had. However, instead of just all foam beads, I actually added some foam squares in there just to make it look a little bit more realistic, because the yellow cereal pieces in the Captain Crunch cereal are actually square. So it is the same classic thick and glossy base, just with the foam beads and the foam squares added in. The red foam beads kind of bleed a little bit, so I am going to be discounting this slime as well. Just because, you know, I don't like that. It's not going to turn the slime like pink or anything because it doesn't bleed that much. It's just a little bit, so, you know, don't worry about that. But yeah, I just really like it. It gets super bubbly as well with all the add-ins and super crunchy, and I just love it. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!